Hello everyone! In this video, I will present how to make fashion design on paper. The design I am going to make is a casual outfit for the beach consisting of a blouse and pants. The first step is that we have to prepare the design tools, which are paper, a ruler, color pencil, an eraser, and a marker. Then we have to make an anatomical drawing as we want. After that, start making beach fashion design according to the anatomical shape of the body that has been created. The size of the clothes can be adjusted to your needs but still has to stick to the anatomical image. The next step was to give color to the design. I used a combination of color pencil and markers. Beforehand, remove a little pencil line until it becomes thin. Then give color to the skin first. You need to give the best color first and then give some value on the edge of the skin. After that, give the pattern to the clothes as you wish. This time, I used the Bima weaving pattern. Bima weaving, or called tembe, which comes from West Nusa Tenggara. The characteristic of Bima weaving is to use bright colors. I think Bima weaving pattern is suitable for beach outfit because it's gonna give cheerful impression to the clothes. After the pattern done, give the color to the whole outfit according to the technique. Pay attention to the light dart or its value. Finally, to complement the design, give color to the face and hair. Coloring the face is like makeup techniques in real life, such as the use of contour and blush. And this is the final result of the fashion design that have been made.